Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. As you guys can see, right in front of me is 5 Cold Air handheld fan right over here. And Aecooly had generously sent me 5 of these fans to give away to you guys. So a huge shout out to them, and which I will talk about more about the giveaway alright at the end of the video. So do watch the video at the end. Alright, and right now I'm gonna just talk about the Cold Air itself. So let's just put the other fans aside and let me just talk more about what this handheld fan is about. So you guys have known I've actually reviewed the Aecooly Cold Air Ultra, and the fan is really awesome. Alright, but if you don't want to spend like $80, $70 alright for a handheld fan, well, this is something that is half the price of the Cold Air Ultra. This is called a Cold Air, alright, whereas it still gives the similar features of the Cold Air Ultra itself. Alright, so but it's a bit of compromises we're gonna talk about later on. But you can see it's really cool, nice packaging over here, and they have different fan speed, and this is a misting fan as well. So they do have mist to cool you down in the hot summer days. So let's just open one of them alright and see what we get inside the box. So yeah, so let's just open up and see. Okay, so you'll get the instruction manual over here, really cool. Alright, have a fan inside here as well. Alright, oh okay, that's really nice. We do get a fan over here. So let's put this aside. Alright, this is the fan here, really nice fan. I'm gonna look more into it later on, but I'm more excited about accessories, I think. Okay, so we do have well, there's a few different really cool items here. We do have like a USB-A to USB-C charging cable over here. We do have a lanyard for you to hook it onto the fan so you guys can hang it on the back itself. And let's see what's inside another accessory box. Okay, so for this accessories box, we do get a cleaning brush. Okay, so yeah, we do get a cleaning brush alright for you to clean the fan blades, all this and that, and the interior of the bottom of the fan itself. So really cool. We have a really nice brush cleaning kit. Alright, and let's see what else we get in here. Okay, we do get like some user manual and quick start guide over here, and we also do have like a temperature monitor sensor, so you can stick it and monitor like what's the temperature that the fan is giving out. So it's really cool. So these are the few accessories you get alright if you are getting this fan itself, or you're receiving this as a free giveaway winner, right? So you guys can, if you win this one of this fan, well, this is basically what's inside the package itself. So let's take a look at the fan itself. You guys can see the fan is really well built. Alright, it's quite lightweight as far as not really heavy. There are 5 blades over here, really nice. Alright, and they are very powerful fan. Alright, and so to turn it on is very simple. Alright, just press the power button one time. Alright, and it should turn it on, as you guys can see. Alright, from the display over here, I don't know if you guys can see the display itself. Alright, it's kind of dark, but yeah, there's 5 different fan speed. You guys can see this is the fastest speed. Really cool. You guys can see alright, the wind on the speed number 5 is really insane. Alright, it's really strong. The fan is really awesome, super strong, super great. Alright, I love the fan itself. Okay, this is pretty strong fan. Alright, but what if you want the mist itself? Where do you top up the water? So it's just right below here. Alright, you just have to you just have to open it, pop it up, twist it, unlock it, and pull it out. Alright, so once I pull it out, you guys can see this is what the bottom looks like. And how to fill up is very simple. You guys can use any bottle you have, alright, and just fill it up using a bottle, or if you have a tap, or a basin anywhere, just fill it up with water, just fill it to the brim. Alright, they'll have a icon that says where the max line is, so just fill it up to there. Alright, and all you have to do is just to close it back down. So just press it down, turn it down. Alright, and now it locks in place so the water will not spill out. So which is really cool. Alright, and now you can press the bottom button to turn on the mist itself. So the mist should come out from the center itself. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the mist is spraying out, you guys can see, and the mist is going really far. Alright, it shoots really far range, which is really awesome, which is really powerful. I've used a lot of misting fan in the past, but those mists, they are very weak. They are super weak. Alright, and it just like blow a bit, but this thing blows a distance, alright, of this distance. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's about this distance. Alright, so yeah, it can cover your whole face. Oh my god, it's so good. Yep, it feels so good. Alright, it feels so refreshing. Alright, the mist is super strong. You guys can see over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, but the mist is really strong itself. Alright, and if you want to mist the fan itself to make it feel more like an air conditioner, well, you guys can turn it on. Alright, turn on the fan. You just press and hold, and wow. Okay, Whoa, that's really cooling. Okay, wow, that is so refreshing and so cooling, and it feels cooler than an air conditioner itself. That's so incredible. Okay. Whew. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. Yep. Oh, that's so nice. Even in this far, I still can feel the mist itself, alright? Yeah, if you guys can see it clearly on the camera itself, the mist is still blowing onto my face, which is really awesome at this distance. There's no any other fan, alright, out there that can actually blow mist this far away. Alright, most of the time I've used a few misting fan, I have to be really close to my face to even feel the mist, but this is really strong in this. Alright, and the mist can last up to 8 minutes on continuous running. Alright, so you can just press and hold for 8 minutes straight, alright, until it runs out of water. If it runs out of water, it's very simple. Just find a nearby basin or anywhere to wash hand, or if you have a water bottle with you, just fill it up. It doesn't use up a lot of water as well, alright, on a single go, so you don't have to worry about wasting too much water, alright. So you just fill up with any bottle you have, or like a basin or sink, alright, and you are good to go. So it's really simple, alright, to operate this. And at the side they have a charging port itself, and this one I think can last probably a few hours, which is really awesome. I used the Cold Air Ultra before, and the battery life lasts really long. I didn't really calculate how long it lasts, but it can last me throughout the whole day, and you know, it still have battery remaining, so this one can really last a really long day with this Aecooly cold air fan over here, which is really amazing. So as I said, this is a really incredible handheld fan right over here, and I would certainly hope that, you know, 5 of these fans reach 5 of you, alright, who are watching this right now. So how you guys can win in one of this giveaway, today's giveaway of winning one of this really amazing Aecooly cold air handheld fan? Well, all you have to do is just to comment down below in the comment section, alright, anything about Aecooly, alright, if you find like, hey, their products is worth it, what do you like about their fans, all this and that, based on review and all this and that, alright, just comment down below, and I will just randomly pick, alright, the 5 of the random comments in the comment section down below, and you may stand a chance to win one of these really amazing fans for yourself right away. So I will announce the winners at the end of the month, right, on my YouTube community page, so you guys can go ahead and check them out at the end of the month, and I will just contact you directly or through your email on your YouTube account. So make sure your YouTube account has your email visible, so I can contact you through your email. I'll just make sure that is done. So that is really amazing, and thank you to Aecooly once again for sending me 5 of these fans to give away to 5 of my fans, pun intended. Okay, so yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you one of this, alright, just do comment down below what you like about Aecooly, what about their fans, all this and that. Alright, and yeah, I'll announce the winner 1 month later in my YouTube community page. Alright, and as well as if you guys like this fan and just looking for a handheld fan, want to get one of this fan for yourself, well, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below, and you guys can buy this directly from Aecooly, and you guys can have a really amazing portable handheld fan that is way significantly better than any other handheld fan that you can get in the market right now. Especially the misting one is really strong. I've never seen any misting fan this strong or as good as this Aecooly one. So once again, if you want to check out this Aecooly fan, you want to buy it or gift it to your friends or family, well, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below to get this Aecooly cold air fan for yourself or for your family or friends right now. Alright, and once again, thank you to Aecooly for sponsoring and sending me 5 of these, alright, Aecooly cold air handheld fans, alright, to give away to you guys right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.